Hey guys, I'm Morgan.
I'm Sam.
And I'm Dani, and we're the React Pack. We're back with another episode of Parasyte. We're on episode 11. I don't know what I was going to say with that. I don't know why I said it like that. Anyways, we're on episode 11. In the previous episode, Hidio. How do you pronounce his name? Hido? Anyways, he was confronted by, what's that fucking glasses girl name? Is she Satomi?
Oh, I know her name. It's
Yuko.
She had confronted him in the classroom, and her little plan with the paint thinner worked, and it, like, caused his head to, like, freak out, and he couldn't get out of, like, fight mode, and he was, like, pretty much slaughtering people in the school, which is actually pretty traumatizing.
Massacre.
Yeah, he literally, like, killed, like, 17 people. Luckily, Shinichi was able to save Satomi from Hido, and he was able to kill
Hide.
He was able to. Oh my.
Hide.
He was able to kill Hyde, essentially, and save her. And that was the end of him and his rampage.
Yeah.
And I feel like it kind of helped repair the drifting that Satomi and Shinichi were having. Kind of brought them a little bit together, shared trauma. We love that for our characters.
Yeah.
And I think that's pretty much it.
He threw a rock at him.
Yeah, he did. Right through the chest.
Right through the chest.
Right through the chest.
Yeah, I think we're just ready to go ahead and get started.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, before we do that, make sure to check out our Patreon. We have uncut reactions and early access. Leave that bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. And check out our merch store at thereapack.com.
Did you mention the hair thing?
My hair thing.
Oh, yeah. Oh my God.
Sorry,
yes,
I forgot.
you're right.
What?
The people, like, the high-ups in Japan,
the wiggly hair.
they found a way to, like, detect if people are parasite or not. And if you pull out their hair and if it, like, moves on its own, because when they're replicating human heads, they don't realize that the hair is, like, dead.
Yeah.
And it still would act like it's alive.
They haven't read that in books. Miggy, I bet, knows this.
Oh, I bet. He's just not telling anyone.
So that
Yeah.
is a way. But they didn't yet tell that parasites are a thing, but they kind of got pulling each other's hair as, like, a greeting to be normalized somehow.
Yeah.
And Shinichi, he has little dumb parasites probably
Yeah, possibly.
all around
over
his body. They're probably going to be wiggling his hair.
Yeah, he didn't pull it out when he was walking with Satomi in the last, like, scene. But they saw the kids doing it.
Yeah.
But they're just like, "Are you ready?"
See, 1, 2, 3.
They kind of just, I feel like she just
Probably put it
knows.
on TikTok.
Oh my gosh, Steve, do you love TikTok?
This is actually a really old anime, or is based. Someone said that it's based off a manga that came out in like 1989.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh.
Bluebird. The Bluebird.
Well, yeah, definitely TikTok was not even a
Bird.
thing when it did come out.
Yeah, I don't think even cell phones were a thing. Parasyte.
Mm-hmm.
Oh god, she's gonna.
Oh, shit.
It's weird that they haven't like noticed like shedding and that haven't.
Damn.
Oh, God.
Parasite.
Ah! Cannot get used to that.
Oh, man.
But she ate it anyway?
Yeah, I mean, she's like, I guess I'll just help them.
She gets a little buzz.
Well, they're gonna catch on, right?
Yeah.
Who's gonna catch on? Parasites?
Yeah. I guess they can't, the thing is they can't control the hair.
They're going
Yeah.
out on dates? These parasites? What kind of... I bet they have, like, the type of game that will attract some people.
Yeah.
I mean, that girl was attracted.
Yeah, she liked it. She's like, you are so aloof.
You're my type.
But I guess, like, they can know about their hair, but it's like, it still doesn't change that it moves. Like, they guess they can't control it.
Yeah, they're going to start shaving their head.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Don't control this hair, you idiot.
Wear hats.
Or be like her and just use your hair as a weapon.
I want to see Shinichi's hair. Maybe it just wiggles like a little bit, like, because it's like a little. There's just a little bit.
What?
It does stay for a long time.
Yeah.
You said that last time. It's like an unnecessarily long time that scene stays.
Oh, where the naked?
Yeah. She's like staring at it. I'm like, okay. Oh, pretty.
This girl again, I'm so over her.
Oh. This must be her dream. Oh, shit. Ew.
Hey.
Ew, oh, this is like my worst nightmare. This is like what I have dreams about.
Yikes.
Being
is
in
why I
a
don't watch
field of
scary movies.
flowers.
Being chased by like the four bigs.
Oh! Oh!
Shinichi.
On a horse? Not the noble steed.
Oh my god, that horse is fucked up.
Yeah. His eyebrows got some work done on him. Oh, brave prince.
Miki's like, I don't
Oh,
want.
my god.
Wow, he got buff. Look at those traps.
Why are we naked all this?
She's dreaming.
I know, this is silly.
She's like, fuck.
She goes nightmare to wet dream.
Dude, he got a girl already.
Yeah, that's intruding on his space, dude.
Just go look at a comb. Oh, I guess they would die off, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I guess the little fragment
I haven't made it
parasites
there.
aren't doing
Hmm.
any of that. Is
Is
it
she
gonna
about to
start
save it? Oh my god.
You're weird.
You're weird,
She's
girl.
like Helga from Hey Arnold.
Oh my
She's gonna put her in a
gosh.
shrine.
Oh god.
I love Helga though.
No.
Whoa.
君が何を考えているかわかるぞ。だがその女は私の味方ではない。かなって言ったっけ？君は俺の存在を感じる不思議なテレパシーがあるって言ってた。
You should tell about your wet dream.
それを感じても近づいたらダメだ。なんで？行った先で化け物と遭遇するかもしれないだろう。なんでそう思うの？泉は普通の人間なんでしょ？
His eyes went weird.
じゃあ不思議なテレパシーを感じた人がいたら髪の毛を抜いてみるよ。そしたらそいつが化け物かどうか。ダメだ。そんなこと。
Yeah.
She's like, oh, touch my
'Cause they'll
shoulders
kill
again.
you.
Yeah.
No, you don't have time to like pluck a hair and examine it.
ちょっと嬉しいかな。ちょっと話が。用事思い出した。ごめん、また。
Runs off. Uh oh.
新一、もうあの女とは話すな。そうはいかないよ。このまま放っておいたら、彼女はきっと危険な目に遭う。しかし、君の話し方は片っ端からボロが出ている感じなんだよ。気をつけるよ。当然だ。
She already had a dream about his arm turning into a sword.
のも変ですけど、泉くん、前と比べてすごく変わったと思いません。前と比べてと言われても、そんなにしょっちゅう会ってるわけじゃないし。私の命の恩人だし、命の恩人？あなたもそういう夢を見た。
No, like
No,
in
bitch.
actual.
私にはわからない。初めからあんな感じだったような気もするし、彼、どことなく凄みが。
Well, yeah, when she first met him, he was like defending that guy against bullies, right?
Mhm.
So it's like he was just a little weaker.
Oh my
Ugh.
goodness, she is so annoying.
10分で戻る。わかった。しかし、もう
The Body Improvement Club.
どうせ汚れる。
Oh
He's gonna
god.
poop his pants.
I don't think that's what he means. Sold it.
怪我しねえうちにとっとと失せろ。なるほど。好戦的だね、ヤクザ。たまにいるんだよね。応対法ができてから。
Dude, look how big he is.
Oh my god.
Jeez, squished it.
Fuck. He's not a parasite though. He's a regular person. He's not using his
Yeah,
slicey dicey.
but he's really strong.
Maybe he's
He
a
skips
half.
leg day though. Look at his little legs.
Oh my god.
No, he's definitely has to be a parasite, right?
But what if he's half like Shinichi?
Oh, he
Oh,
could
like
be half.
Migi?
Yeah, yeah.
And his parasite's just sleeping right now.
Got the back end, man. Damn. Oh, he chopped him in half.
Oh, ow. People would be crazy. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh my god! Oh!
What the fuck? Oh shit. Oh.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, okay.
Holy shit.
Without using. Oh shit.
Oh my god. He's gonna walk out? Holy shit.
What?
No, thank you. I would not, actually.
Y'all crazy.
Wait, that guy wasn't. Oh, that's fucked up.
He yanked him.
Did they even not notice that guy was there? Oh, he stole his clothes.
Probably his face too.
Oh shit. Oh, he did. I wonder why he didn't like use his blades and stuff.
They're testing.
God, they have an
What?
organization.
Oh my god.
Are they on a date?
I hope so.
Aww.
Yay, date.
Oh, guys, gonna end up bad. The blood will be defeated. She wants to watch the blood will be defeated.
That sounds cooler.
No shit, I would be having nightmares for the rest of my life. Because it actually happened.
Yeah.
Reliving something that happened to you is different than a random nightmare. Okay.
Thanks.
その友達の影響かな。泉くんが変わったの。そんなことないと思うけど。あの時からかな。やっぱり。本当は泉くん、旅
Hmm.
に出たっきりまだ。
Does she know about his mom?
I don't think so.
いつか旅先でお父さんが怪我して、それで。
Oh.
やっぱり。
Puppy!
Alright, that one's not going in the trash can this time.
Baby.
Looks like the same one. Oh god, here we go! Oh.
Oh. Oh my god.
It has a collar now.
He's like, Mom, I met new friends.
This is awkward.
Is Migi sleeping?
私だってね。
What? Ah!
Oh.
Oh.
さあ、行こう。泉くん。
Oh my god. Oh.
どうしたの？大丈夫？
He got gas. Damn.
Oh, that's tense. I was like,
本当におじいちゃんみたいじゃない？
Anything that has to do with his mom triggers like that.
yeah.
Okay, they had a, they had a nice date. Alright, nothing crazy. Oh god, she's like, I feel him.
Dude.
Ooh.
Oh my god, not her running towards him. What the fuck?
They're gonna kiss.
Yay!
Aww. Alright.
Yep. Now back off, please. Leave them alone. Aw, that was cute. Oh, what? He heard that.
No, she thinks she could. Oh, she's not wrong.
I know. Oh my god. Who's she calling? Did she call him? Wow. Oh my god, she's just trying to intrude. Come on. Oh shit. 5!
Oh shit! That's the. God damn. Yeah, the dead eyes. Oh god.
Don't make eye contact. Oh god.
Okay.
Ugh.
Abort, abort.
Oh, he's staring at him still.
He
Ugh.
looks pretty interested.
Ah.
What does she want to talk to him about?
Oh no.
She just wants to make her,
Yeah, admit feelings.
yeah, just, try to keep her foot in the door before it closes. One more.
The Murato's
Shot.
gonna see it. She's gonna be sad.
Yeah, but she's still, sad. She doesn't even seem really happy with the relationship still.
Yeah.
I don't think she's ever gonna,
She's still hung up on the old Shinichi.
yeah. Shinichi is different, so.
Yeah.
It's hard for her to accept it. He's trying, though. He made a good effort, taking her out and stuff like that. I don't know. Bringing back another situation with the dog. This time it went much better. That's good. So what are these parasites that are trying to run for mayor? What did he say his mission was going in there? Or he said it was just a test?
To see how many times they can avoid being hit when they go against sharp objects and guns.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So without using their abilities or
I'm
something?
guessing. I guess
That's what it
that's
seems
what
like.
they were hinting at. Without, with just the human form.
Yeah, because it's, I guess it's more obvious to change form into your parasite form. They're just better at fighting in their
Yeah.
human form, then it's less obvious.
Especially if they're trying to still be pretty undercover.
Yeah.
They're probably trying to hone their human fighting ability.
Uh-huh. Yeah, that guy was pretty crazy.
And I guess they ran against dangerous people at least.
Yeah. It's just scary how fast they're evolving.
I know, I'm trying to get
It's only
into the
episode 11.
government. Oh
Jesus, they're running for mayor now.
Yeah. They're trying to get power.
no.
I'm
Socially.
scared. I'm scared.
Yeah.
Soon they're gonna order everyone to shave their head.
Yeah, they're like, no more hair plucking. I am making it a law.
It's gonna be a crime if you pluck out someone's hair.
Yeah, I don't know why they wouldn't think about how that could just be dangerous in the end, Pluck
Oops.
someone's hair and ends up being a parasite, well, they're gonna kill you
Yeah,
now.
I
think that's
know.
why they showed that scene for that reason.
Yeah.
I just hate how she was like, oh, well, I'll just pluck the hair.
Get a donut. Right now.
Right now?
Yeah, I'm craving it right this second.
Um,
We're not sponsored by Dunkin'. Don't go there. I'm just kidding. Sponsor us.
So Shinichi's hair didn't move,
No, it didn't.
but she kept it. Is it gonna die?
I guess not, because it didn't react like a parasite. Because we said, as soon as she's pretty much still a human.
Yeah,
Except for his hand.
Yeah, but he has the cells in there. So I'm
Yeah.
just curious, why it didn't Like, I felt like they made it known that she was saving it. Or maybe
Yeah.
it's just to make her be weirder.
Yeah, is it gonna move later or something?
I don't
Why would it do
know.
that?
I don't feel like it would though. That doesn't make sense.
Yeah, you're right.
She saved it in a napkin, didn't she?
Yeah.
Tucked it away.
She's a weirdo.
She is a weirdo. And I hate how she also plays the role of like when the other girl was like talking to her about Shinichi and like saying how she feels and stuff, she was like trying to give her like quote unquote like advice, but she's secretly like wishing it ends. She's like, oh, I might still have a chance, and that really bothers me. I hate that shit.
Yeah. Well, he didn't like her introduction. She didn't seem like a very nice person in general. So
Yeah, she was like wanting that guy to beat up like Shinichi's classmate and stuff. It's just like
so it's like that's why it's just hard to root for someone like her because she hasn't been like introduced in a very nice way anyways.
Yeah.
Or shown in a good light since
Yeah.
then.
yeah.
Yeah, she's not my fave. We didn't check on Yuko.
Yeah, fuck her though.
What the hell happened though?
It's her fault that literally 17 of
I
her
know.
classmates died.
Yeah.
She ended up telling her brother like, or I guess there's nothing to tell. It's
Over now.
Yeah.
That was.
It was
So
her
traumatic.
fault. I would have talked to him.
I think I can handle this.
You can't change him. I promise. Ugh. Well, that's all I got.
Me too.
Yeah, same.
Okay, guys, thank you for joining us. Make sure to catch us next time and check us out on Patreon, Discord, and like, comment, subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.